Oh, so I found my bulb, or my diffuser, or whatever you want to call it. It's in there now. You can see right there. It's going to be nice and frosted. So, next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put a couple pieces of tape there to kind of reduce any active shorting. And I think I've got some thicker stuff, as opposed to having to run a bunch of little ones. Actually, you know what? Why don't I go one step further and try and put a fun sticker there? So this is going to be screaming sacrilege. I hope everybody makes comments on this. I am going to use a Sonic the Hedgehog sticker to create an anti-shorting surface on the inside of a Game Boy. I know, but I think Sonic is great, so that is what we're going to do. Shh, nobody tell anybody. Come on. Even the sticker gods aren't wanting to play fair because I can't get the backing off it. Oh, got it. I got it. Done. Look at that. Don't tell anybody. Okay, so next step is to put the buttons in. I've decided we're going green. Make sure that there's no burrs. And if there is, file them down. I'm going to go back to my sandpaper. Now, remember, when you use sandpaper, try to make sure that you get any dust off, because you don't want that floating around inside your system. Nice smooth surface, 4 ways around. Done. Drop that in. Perfect. And then A, B button. I'm not too worried about the start button at this point, or not the start button, the power button. So that and that. Done. I tell you, it'd be nice if they had, better edges on these. That and that and that. Okay. Now in the kit, I got some brand new membranes. So I'm going to put brand new start and select button in place. Now, do I want to do anything fun with these? Like, do I really want to use these blue membranes? Probably could do something better. Let's just go and check my little bag of tricks. So I have, we'll go wide here. I have some blue membranes. I have a yellow start select. I don't know if that's for a color or that one actually might be for a pocket. Yellow. How would yellow go with green? Let's try it out. And of course, the hole's plugged. Talk about, quality. So it does go on. Let's take a quick look on the other side and see how it looks. I don't know. I like the yellow under the green. Blue under there. What we got? Navy blue was the other option. No. I had a yellow start select. You know what? Let's leave that one baby blue, and we'll go yellow for the AB. I think that'll be fun. That looks good. So next thing I'm going to do is we're going to get this board in position. Get the wire out of the way, and then I need to connect the screen. This is going to be fun while trying to get the camera to see it. Okay, so that's in. And look at all this extra cable I've got here. Should I put in some Krylon tape on that? No, I think we're good across the board. I've got those pins taped off, so I think we're good there. I'm going to drop the speaker. Of course, elevate this so that everything else falls into place. Make sure the USB-C doesn't bind. The USB-C is on the bottom half, so I'm going to have to make sure that I take care of that. I also want to make sure that any of my wires are out of the way. So here we can see that the wires for I love the focus. There we go. Now these wires get wrapped through the frame, so they have to go on the other side. There we go. Same thing goes down here. I'll lift that up a bit. Done. So those are in the case. Those are under there. Those are under there. No wire showing in the screw holes. And then I can take this and wrap it into there. And push the tabs down. Next step is power switch. We'll come back in a second.